my heart and will remain there for all eternity, never to disappear. This kind of love, who could ever give such a thing? To love as deeply as you and I did. I never imagined it would end this way. The pain cuts so deep, it feels like my heart could truly die. You left me behind to live alone. My heart aches, my soul feels broken, missing you. Living each day soaked in tears. Every day I cry, looking up at the sky, hoping that maybe one day you and I will meet again. Our love was so strong, the way we loved each other, yet we still could not be together in this lifetime. If I die, I will remember you, and when I reach the heavens above, I will follow your footsteps until I can